The tech giant is about to launch one of its biggest corporate shakeups in years. Plans to cut as many as 30,000 corporate jobs. Yeah, you heard that right. 30,000 people could soon be out of work. So what's really going on? Amazon has around 1.55 million employees worldwide, but only about 350,000 of them are in corporate roles. According to insiders, up to 10% of that group might be affected. The first wave of cuts is expected to begin this week, targeting several divisions, from human resources and technology to devices and services and operations. Where it hurts the most, the HR department, the very people who hire and manage others, could lose around 15% of its workforce. It's an ironic twist, but one that shows how deep these cuts might go. Why is Amazon doing this? Sources say the company is trying to fix the overhiring that happened during the pandemic boom. Back then, Amazon was growing fast and hiring even faster. Now things have slowed, and the company wants to tighten its belt. But that's not the only reason. AI is changing everything. CEO Andy Jassy recently said that Amazon's use of artificial intelligence will reduce the total size of our corporate workforce. In other words, some jobs are being replaced by smarter systems. The bigger picture, even with these layoffs, Amazon is still investing heavily in the future, pouring over $100 billion into cloud, infrastructure, and AI this year alone. And here's the paradox. While thousands of corporate workers might lose their jobs, the company is hiring 250,000 seasonal employees for the holiday rush. So it's cutting high-paying desk jobs, but adding temporary ones in warehouses and delivery. How the world reacted? Right after the news broke, Amazon's stock rose by about 1.3%. Investors clearly think the layoffs could help profitability, but for employees it's a different story. Inside the company, the mood is anxious. People are asking, if even Amazon isn't safe, what's next for the rest of tech? What this really means, this isn't just another round of job cuts. It's a statement about the future of work. Amazon is moving toward automation, trimming bureaucracy, and betting big on AI. For workers, it's a wake-up call. The skills that mattered 5 years ago might not be enough tomorrow. Adaptability, tech fluency, and AI literacy are quickly becoming survival skills. The takeaway: Amazon's move shows the new reality of modern business. Even the biggest companies are reinventing themselves. For some, it's the end of a chapter. For others, maybe it's the start of a new one.